welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, we'll be taking a quick look on this thing. I hope you can see properly. Yeah, that's it's Ambrane PP-11 or something, but it's a very great battery charger. So let's take a quick look at the review of it, and I want to do this giveaway. So who will want this thing? So you get a new pair of it. You can just comment in my video, subscribe this channel, and you have to share. So subscribe and share so that you can win this giveaway, and just comment something whatever you like, and I'll just contact you personally when you want. So let's get straight in the video. So yeah, the package is right there. You can see it's written like something. So it's like 10,000 mAh battery which can bear up to 2 slots. I don't know what the 2 slots mean is. This 2 thing. 2 USB slots. So I want to just open it. The difficulty I faced in opening it cannot be faced by anyone. I just got a new knife for opening it and I couldn't open it because that was too strong to open. Such a big thing. And let's fast forward a little bit. So I opened it and I messed the whole thing by just a cover. It's like that for me. They just messed the cover in it. So while opening it, it was like this. I thought it would be like so big, but when I just opened it, this was what was covered fully. The package was like that you can't even believe, half of this, they have wasted the full box, wasting plastic. That is banned for some years, right? And I got this something tax thing inside. And the difficulty in this, they have given such a big box they have given here. But I can't even put this, I can't even remove this from this. I just struggle as you see in the fourth video. I'm struggling to remove it. And they have given a manual here and something like there are more products. About their more products, I think, yeah. And to tell about this is this weighs up to 0.48 kg. That is just half, not even half. But it looks like a bit heavy, not so heavy, but a bit heavy compared to other things. So, what is it inside? I don't think there are much to know about this. What to tell here? So they are given here. See, you have to know, if you want to know how it works, it's given right here. You can take a click of this. The link will be given in the description. So you can't see it because I'm shooting with a mobile right now. Torchlight something they are given there. So as you can see, when I press it, it appears like this. Some light comes here, and when I keep pressing it, they told they are given a torch somewhere here, but I couldn't even see. I can't even see where it is. So let me check it. So they have given me here charging point one for iOS. That is Apple company also, and I think it's great. Let me teach you how to just first, how to charge a mobile with this. So what I do is just take a mobile in that and just take some charger, whichever you like. And what you do is just the plugging point put here, and that USB port you have to connect it here, and the charging point in the mobile. And then it will automatically charge if you want. If it's not charging, then press this button. It may like charge also. And if you want to charge this, so you're charging for a long time your mobile, and this battery of this has been got. What you have to do is just, as you can see, take your charger and the end point, that is, you have to connect it here. If you have iOS, here. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm doing the giveaway of this. I hope all of you know what are the rules of it. So signing up is Smart Tech, and I get more views now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Signing